Nicole's betting if she can make it here, she can make it anywhere.
I am moving from beautiful New York City to gorgeous Rome. I got a teaching job over there. I will be teaching first grade at an international school, and I decided that it's time to move and to try a new experience.
Nicole makes the 4,300-mile non-stop journey to the city of the Seven Hills, Rome, Italy. It would take a lifetime to explore the depth of Rome's social and cultural influence on history. And though it's no longer the center of a great empire, modern times still owe a lot to the Roman mastery of lifestyle.
So here we are in the area of Piazza del Popolo, which is down there.
Okay.
And the Spanish Steps is at the end of this road on the left.
Okay.
This spacious two-bedroom apartment comes with a price tag to match.
And the rent here is €4,500 a month.
What would that be in
That's
dollars?
approximately $6,500
A month.
Yes.
Come on in.
Okay. Go ahead. Thank you. Oh, wow. It's a lot of light.
Yeah.
I love the archway of the
Incredible. Yes.
windows. Okay.
The architecture of this building is incredibly done. These are terracotta floors, original terracotta floors.
Okay.
Do you like those?
Yeah, they're not bad.
And here you have the dining room.
Wow. The colors on the wall, is it possible to change them? Kind of a puke green.
Yeah. It is.
I'm not so sure how much of a party I could have in there when it's pretty small. Okay. Is this wallpaper?
It is?
Yes.
So it's impossible really to get off, unless you paint over it. I've got to start to be flexible because, I'm so used to what I have in the States, and I'm so used to having, everything new and pristine and clean, and I have a feeling I'm gonna have to be making a lot of adjustments.
Like the first place, the second property is in a prime location.
You have the Castel Sant'Angelo right here on the corner.
And then over here is the Vatican, just behind these buildings.
But with a 5-minute walk to the Pope's front door, it's no wonder the $6,500 per month list price is also blowing the budget.
So here we are.
Okay.
Okay. This is the living and dining room area.
Okay. Wow.
See these beautiful moldings on the ceiling. And you have beautiful hardwood floors.
Okay.
And beautiful views.
Wow, this is gorgeous. Look at this.
Here there is the AC.
Fabulous.
Okay, for this room.
Here in Rome, I would really like to find a place with air conditioning. It's humid and congested, so I think inside I'm gonna definitely need to have some air conditioning.
We have a fully equipped kitchen here.
Lots of storage space.
Okay. All right, I like this. Oh, look at the ceiling again.
Just beautiful.
Yeah, okay. Okay, oh wow.
This is a very small outdoor space.
It's very small.
It
I was
is.
hoping for something bigger that I could sit out at and have a grill or something. This is a bummer.
Okay.
Is that it?
Yep.
Okay, let's go.
Go ahead.
The last stop of the day will be Via Larina, where the third apartment hits everything and more than Nicole ever wished for at the Trevi Fountain.
It's approximately $7,500 a month.
That's a lot more than I was thinking.
Way much more. Come on in, girls.
Okay. Oh my. This is, wow.
Yeah.
Okay.
The bathroom is right here. We'll show you that first. Shower and a tub, beautiful beam ceilings.
Yes. Yeah, I like this. Okay.
And here we are in the living room.
It's kind of dark in here.
It is. The owners
Okay.
have already projected 2 skylights in this room to give it
Okay.
natural light.
How long will that take?
3 or 4 weeks.
So it's not available as
Immediately, no.
All right, well, we'll deal.
And you see here, there is a sitting area.
Wow, it's beautiful.
Yeah.
The outdoor space is incredible. The people that were here before seem to have a green thumb. I can see having a big party here, a really big party. I think that what I'm gonna do is, I'm definitely gonna take the Castello.
Well, we
Definitely
think
gonna
that
take
that
the
is a
Castello and be
great
over by the Vatican.
Whether the magical fortunes of the Trevi Fountain are at play or not, the girls lowball the landlord for apartment number 2 and come out on top.
I am living in Berlin. It was my dream to move to Europe. Berlin has a very urban feel to it, and you see families, you see people going to work. It's a really good mix of just everything all together, and I was very fortunate that Brent was willing to make that big jump with me.
Taya has already achieved her dream of living abroad, but Brent is facing the unknown 5,800 miles away in Germany's capital city.
I'm going to show you today a one-bedroom place with balcony, but it is on the 4th floor. Yep, it is fully furnished, washing machine, everything you need.
Great. How much is it?
It is over your budget, $1,400. But this is Berlin, it's the south, you have the shops, the U-Bahn, everything here is very close. Come on in, guys, the kitchen.
Oh, wow, this is nice.
It is a little bit makeshift, but it has everything you need. We have a washing machine, but I have an extra bonus for you.
That being?
Dishwasher.
Oh, wow, that would be great.
Ooh, a little narrower than we're used to. Our bathrooms are a little bit more spacious, but just a bathroom.
Having the bathtub will be good with a kid, though. No, this isn't bad.
That's a little bit of a tight fit, but it is a balcony.
We'd be able to have the baby out here to have a little bit of fresh air, and the view, I think, is the best part.
Yeah, I'm digging all the old German buildings.
This is in the north of the city. I know that's a little bit further away from your friends, but it is around your budget. $1,150. It's a one-bedroom, fully furnished, and the washing machine you're looking for. Okay, guys, come on in.
Huh. Definitely smaller than the last one, a little more quaint.
Smaller refrigerator. We wouldn't be able to have a table in here
No.
to eat, and not as finished as I was hoping for.
Might not look great, but it's functional and does have the washing machine that you asked for.
Okay.
Ooh.
No.
Bathroom through the kitchen seems a little strange.
Yeah. But I like this a lot better than that other one.
Yeah, I like the width.
Yeah, it's not just a little narrow hallway. There's a lot more room to move around in here. I think it's still doable. I think the high ceiling adds a lot to it.
You have the Romeo and Juliet doors.
Definitely an excellent view out of there. I'm really digging that.
It seems like that you're sort of compromising a little bit now, which is great, because you're realizing that when you're on your budget, it's still doable, isn't it? I mean, guys, what more can I do?
I think for us, the most important thing is keeping within our budget, and $50 over budget is a far cry from $300 over.
The first thing on my mind is more family-friendly and safe for a baby. So for me, seeing the graffiti on the outside, it is a little bit off-putting.
The property is $1,000 per month.
Awesome.
And first floor. Let's go in and see what you think.
Okay.
Come on in, guys.
Ooh, bathroom right off. Oh, good Lord.
Oh my gosh. I don't know where we would bathe the baby.
Little baby sink, and I guess we shower in a shallow dish at the end of it. Yeah, this is kind of tiny.
Wow.
Not feeling the love there, but let's move on into the kitchen.
Okay.
This isn't too bad. I'm surprised after seeing the bathroom, I was afraid the kitchen was going to be
Yeah,
equally
right.
small, but we have room for a kitchen table in here.
Yep. It's a pretty good sized kitchen, high ceiling and a good view of the courtyard outside. We maybe take some of this and add it to the bathroom.
Yeah, I was really shocked when we walked in and saw the bathroom first. I was really nervous for this place, but this is a really good sized apartment.
It's a little bit removed for me. I prefer to be something a little more centrally located.
But it is a nice family neighborhood, and there are a lot of positives with this apartment. So, graffiti house it is?
I'm thinking graffiti.
Okay.
Let's do it. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Graffiti it is.
Brent has made sacrifices to make her dream come true, so Taya compromises space and location to ease his fiscal concerns.
So we're moving to Paris, France. My company has an office just outside of Paris towards the east. And so we're looking at moving to the eastern edge of Paris or just outside of the eastern edge of Paris. From what I've heard about the housing market in Paris is that it's even more expensive than certain parts of DC.
So this is a building. It's $1,800 per month.
Oh.
Whew, over budget and no space for guests. That could be tough.
You will see it's really a nice apartment.
Ooh, this is nice. Wow, it's really like bright and airy.
Yeah, lots of light in here.
I love all the architectural features. It looks really Parisian. The arches all the way through the apartment were just really beautiful. It's a
Good-sized bed?
Yeah, good-sized bed, good-sized space. And
Plenty of room.
it feels a little bit separate, even though it is a studio.
A little bit. For a small space, it really is well done, and it does almost feel bigger with the arches. It feels like it kind of expands the room a little bit.
I think I liked this apartment slightly more than Tyler. I really like the location. It's very central. I really like the architecture and the windows and just the feel of the place.
And it does have the updated bathroom, which really is a big plus. We're definitely a long way for work from me.
Tyler is a lot more worried about the budget.
$1,800 a month. It is still just a studio, even though it's big.
Okay, let's move on.
The addition of a bedroom and outdoor space brings them to a charming and unusual apartment.
This is a building.
Oh, okay. I'm a little skeptical of the building just because the door had some graffiti on it and the street was really noisy. However, when you could see the Eiffel Tower right from the street, that was a really cool feature. Wow, I love the high ceilings.
Yeah, this is really nice. It's a lot of space.
Yeah.
It's interesting furniture choices. That's unusual. I don't really like the furniture. It seemed kind of dark and a little bit eclectic.
The chairs were definitely a little bit weird. I thought the couch was okay, but a lot of the other pieces did seem a little bit strange.
Tyler thinks more about the function of the furniture rather than what it looks like.
Where's the staircase go?
Please have a look.
Oh. I walked up into the loft area. It was a little concerning because the ceiling was so low. Careful about your head.
I guess this is the bedroom.
It also is a little strange to be able to see your guests if people come visit.
So guys, what do you think about this one?
I really love the terrace and the outdoor patio. It's just beautiful.
It is really nice. It would be great for having people visit with the way everything opens right up. There were a few things that I didn't like. The bedrooms sort of not really being separate or private. We still don't have separate spaces, and it's quite far over budget. It seems like our budget really isn't going to go as far as we hoped here in Paris.
So here is a building.
Oh, yeah, I really like the balconies and the architecture.
It is a little bit over your budget at $1,750 per month.
That's a little much, especially for not having 2 bedrooms.
Yeah, but you know in Paris you won't get any 2 bedrooms for your budget.
Oh.
Yeah, let's see it?
Yep.
Yeah.
Okay, it's a little bit dark. Okay, this is nice and bright after the dark hallway.
Yeah, a little bit sparsely furnished. I'm not sure how I feel about the furniture here.
It's a shame that it's a little bit small. I really prefer more open plan living. So which one is the bedroom?
This one is a bedroom on your right. Yeah.
Okay. Oh, this is nice. It's nice and bright and the view is great. I think that's probably my favorite part of the room. I really like that there's one separate bedroom.
It is definitely nice having that privacy, but with the kitchen being separate and not having the open floor plan, it's not as ideal for entertaining.
I did want to be closer into the center of Paris, so this is a little bit further out.
On the other hand, it is a nice commute to work for me. That would be great.
I think Tyler would like to be closer to his work. I do think we're going to have to compromise no matter what we choose. So which one do you think we should go for?
This is a tough choice.
What's for lunch?
Oh, I stopped by the market and picked up some saucisson and some cheese.
Ooh, this looks tasty.
The great park next door tipped the scales in favor of House 3, and it had the lowest rent.
I really love living in Paris. I didn't think I'd like living so far out from the center, but it's really not that far. It only takes about 15 or 20 minutes to take the metro in. So I went to the market and my recipe called for eggplants, and I don't know how to say that.
Yeah, I don't know either.
I think it's been a challenge moving here since we are still learning French. I usually end up just pointing.
But people are actually quite friendly here and have really been good to us and helped us settle in.